Is your WhatsApp call coming through, but the display light isn't turning on your iPhone? This can happen due to notification setting, do not disturb mode, or software glitches. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to solve the issue of WhatsApp calls not lighting up your iPhone screen. So let's get started. Before moving on, turn off the do not disturb mode and also turn off the low power mode. Then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced settings. Solution 1. Check hardware issue. Open up the App Store. Tap the search icon. Type check my device on the search bar. Tap the install icon, then tap open. After that, tap allow, don't allow. Scroll down. Now tap proximity test. Now put your hand on the proximity center at the top, on the front camera. If it blinks, then there is no problem with your hardware. But if it is not blinking, that means there is a hardware issue. You may go to the customer care. But if it's okay, then you can follow my next solutions. Solution 2. Check iPhone notification settings. Open the settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap notifications. Now tap show previews. Make sure to choose always here. Then go back. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap WhatsApp. Now enable the allow notifications. Next, make sure to enable the lock screen, notification senders and banners alerts. Now restart your iPhone and then see whether it is solved or not. Solution 3. Check WhatsApp notification settings. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap the settings icon below. Scroll down a little bit. Tap notifications. Make sure to enable all the settings except the clear badge. Still, if your issue persists, tap reset notification settings from the bottom. Tap reset. It will reset all your WhatsApp notification settings. Solution 4. Enable background app refresh. Go to the settings app. Tap on general. Scroll down. Tap on background app refresh. Again, tap on background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If it is disabled, then sorry, you won't get any notification from WhatsApp. Solution 5. Turn off restriction. Open settings. Scroll down. Tap screen time. Scroll down. Then tap content and privacy restrictions. Now turn off content and privacy restrictions. Solution 6. Reset all settings. Open the settings app again. Tap general. Scroll down. Then tap transfer or reset iPhone. After that, tap reset. Now tap reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap reset all settings again. Make sure that reset all over settings and all back to the default settings. After resetting all settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope it is solved now. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See ya.